Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, I'm clearly doing something different because girl, we don't got the Meek Mills in. So I seen a similar style on TikTok and I was like, I gotta try it. Check out the description box for more information regarding that. Yeah, people that know how to do their own hair is the real goats. Like, we really is. Like, but nah, for the most part, this style wasn't that tricky. It was just the front. Because from wearing so many wigs, y'all, I have a tan line going across my freaking forehead. So don't jump. I already warned you. As fast as I took this out, I don't see why I sat there and sold it in, but we sold it in and took it out 2 days later. Not 2, probably 3. But y'all get the point. This should have been a quick weave. But sit back and relax. Now for the front, I just couldn't do the tanned hairline. So I was like, you know what? Let me slick this back and put a little frontal piece. Y'all, I really could have just did the whole frontal in the front, but I ended up just doing a piece and making it blend out. I started to see the potential here. I was like, okay. But then I was like, it's too dark. Like, you can literally see where the frontal and my hair starts. So, nothing a little concealer couldn't fix. Nothing.
Say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. But do you I'm happy that. Say everything I do is for my woman.
I really love this style. Like, this is the perfect vacation style. Next time I will do a full frontal in the front. But for the most part, it was cute, girl. It still gave her. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video.